Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. What was I expecting on GU? I'm just gonna do a quick recap on GU before we go to our analysis, right? GU was really beautiful guys. We had a beautiful trade on GU. I'm gonna do a quick recap for those that did not watch my previous analysis, right? If you watch my previous analysis, you know that I was predicting GU to push to the downside, right? And I have different scenarios. I said there's a possibility that we might push to my 38.2% fib level because that's aligned with this break of structure right here before tanking to the downside. And I also said that in case if we still see more momentum of buy when we get to my 38.2% fib level, then my 50% fib level will be my next target. So we might actually push up right there to touch this trend line right here. We can see that we have this break off trend line with this candlestick right here, so we might push to that level to retest the trend line before tanking to the downside, right? And my other scenario was in case if both of this becomes invalid, then my 78.6% fib level will be my next target, right? We can see we have this break of structure right here with this engulfing candle right here, so we might push to around that level right here to possible also give us like a possible touch of trend line before we start tanking to the downside, right? But as we can see, just like all majority of the time, I used to say we don't predict the market, right? We react to the market. We can see that I didn't take this trade, to be honest, and the reason was because of we didn't retrace off of any fib level right here. We can see that we pushed up a little bit, but we didn't retrace off of any fib, right? We just started to tank down when we get to around this level right here, and I wasn't looking forward to that, right? I was looking forward to it at least touching a fib level, right? But we can see that we just continue to tank to the downside, and the power of Fibonacci level, most of the time when we get to negative 27% fib level, we expect some sort of some sort of retreat of reversal. I know I've mentioned this most of the time, and I just like to repeat it again just for like new subscribers that don't know how I trade, and that is why I like to like constantly repeat it myself. So that is why I like to take my TP around negative 27% because like 90% of the time whenever we get to negative 27% fib level, there is always a reversal. Is it all the time? Absolutely not. And that is why I said 90%, because there is no only growth strategy out there. There is no strategy that doesn't take losses, right? As long as the strategy takes more wins than loss, then you're good. The strategy is good. So I knew majority of the time my negative 27% fib level is a retracement level, so that is why I always take my my TP around that area, guys. So now delete our previous analysis, guys, and we analyze GU based on the current price market. So like I like to go to my bigger time frame just to analyze for us to do top down analysis, guys. So let's do let's go to my 4-hour time frame and see, like we see right here, right? If you see this momentum of sell, there's a possibility for us to push up a little bit. So this is a target I will look forward to, which is right around here. You can see so this is a target I'm looking forward to, so we might actually push to around this 4-hour imbalance before tanking to the downside. That's a possibility. So right here I'm gonna draw my fib from point A to point B right here for us to see that we might just come to this level right here before tanking to the downside. So let's go to more smaller time frame and see. Let's go to 2 hours. Now I'm going to draw a trend line from point A here to point B. Let's go to my 1 hour time frame and see. Just because I'm still seeing momentum of a buy, I think I'm just going to delete this one right here. Let me go to my 45 minutes and see. We can put a trend line right here instead, just to indicate. I genuinely don't need trend line, to be honest. Let me just leave it like this. Let's see. Let me go to my 1 hour time frame and see. So I can do a mini fib just to see from point A here to point B right here, just to see where we might be retracing off of. Right, we can see. Let's go back to my bigger time frame right here. Let's adjust this. So as you know that I like to do my target around negative 27%. So we might still push up to where I predicted us to actually push up to, right? So which is around this area right here, right? But because of my fib is around here, so I'm just gonna think we come here to retest. We can see around the zone right here, that is where we have breakout structure, right? And we might just come here to continue to push to the downside. So we might actually push up a little bit, right, to fill this, to get to my negative 27% fib level, which is the minor direction, before we tank to the downside. So that is my prediction currently, because like I said, I'm predicting us to push to the downside. We've been seeing momentum of a sell, so I'm predicting some sort of like an impulse, a correction, then a move to the downside. That is my prediction as of right now. So, and if we continue to push to the downside, certainly my TP will be right around here. Negative 61.8% fib level will be my first TP. So let's do that there, which is around 50.52. So let's draw my thoughts, maybe something like this, down like this right now. So right now, that is my prediction on GU as of this moment right now. So if I use my fib from this impulse right here to this down right here, we can see my negative 27% is in the middle of my 61.8% fib level and 50% fib level, to retrace around that area before tanking to the downside. So we can also say right around here is a TP, a good TP right here. It's also a good TP for us to see, right? So this is my thought on GU, guys. Let's see how the market is going to play out, because I still see momentum of a sell overall rather than a buy. So this is my quick thought on GU, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.